Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So today I've got another review for you. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this Blackhead Control Facial Scrub. It's from Beauty Formulas. Is it good? Is it not? Let's find out. So I bought this from the beauty supply and this cost about €8. Now this is 150 milliliters of product and it is made in the UK. It claims to control blackhead and improves skin texture. Now it's with salicylic acid, which helps problematic skin. Exfoliating beads helps to cleanse the skin of dirt and impurities. So this is a facial scrub, a very gentle, mild facial scrub. It's not very rough on the skin. I've got very sensitive skin, so I can't stand a very rough facial scrub. But this here is very gentle. You see, as you can see, it's a very light blue. It comes in a very light blue color. And as you can see, it's thick, so a little bit goes a long way. You can wet your skin a little before actually rubbing it on your face. It doesn't irritate your skin. Now, the first time I used it, I felt this tingling effect on my face afterwards, obviously because it contains salicylic acid, and you're going to have that slight burning effect on your face, especially if it's the first time you're using it. But it's not bad, and it leaves your skin smooth after the first usage. Now, I would say this actually really helped improve my skin texture. I didn't have acne, I didn't have blackhead, but then it helps improve the texture of my skin. I don't use this every day because a facial scrub shouldn't be used every day. I use this like 2 times in a week and I'm good to go. I usually use it in the evenings, after the day. I wash my face, scrub it a little bit, rinse it off, and put on my favorite serum. Now, it claims this Beauty Formulas Blackhead Control Facial Scrub is especially formulated to help keep problem skin clear of blackheads and spots, enriched with salicylic acid to help the process of exfoliation by eliminating dead skin cells, dirt, and other impurities which can block pores to cause blackheads and spots. And as it's been recommended to use it 2 times per week, as I do. So it's an exfoliator, so you definitely cannot use it every day. Once or twice a week is okay. And it's a very great product. The fact that it's affordable, the fact that it actually works the all. Honestly, I've not used a lot of products from Beauty Formulas, but this is the first product I'm using from them, and it's a great one. I'm definitely going to check out the rest of their products and let you know how it actually sits with me. So yes, this facial scrub, not only for blackheads, but if you've got very clogged pores and you want to get rid of that, you should try this. And it actually works in the first application. After you apply it for the first time, you're actually going to see improvements in it, and it's gentle on your face, doesn't irritate, doesn't burn your eyes. Okay guys, so this is it with the Blackhead Control Facial Scrub. Am I going to get it again? Hell yeah, I'm definitely going to get it again because it's a good product. And so let me find out, have you ever used this product before? How did you find it? Was it good? Was it not? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.